keychain. As far as the pony beads that I used, I got them from this kit that I will link in the description of my video, but essentially I used this like metallic looking yellow. I got 38 of those. These yellow glittery pony beads, I grabbed 7 of those. And for the green beads on this kit, I grabbed 11, of this one. I grabbed 11 of these for the top of the pineapple. And then of course, you'll need a key ring to hold your keychain together so that you can hook it onto a bag, a backpack. Get right into the tutorial. So for this keychain, I will be using this 2mm tubing cord, and I'm gonna cut about 40 inches off for my keychain. That's typically what I use as a base, unless the keychain's more elaborate, and then I will usually cut it a little bit longer. But for this keychain, I'm going to use 40 inches of the cord. So you'll begin with attaching your cord to your key ring, and I secure it to my counter with blue tape, blue painter's tape. And the first bead you'll put in is one single green bead, and you'll loop back through with your opposite string, and you'll do that for a second time. And then after that, you'll put 3 green beads on your right string, and take that string and come back through, skip that last bead and come back through the other 2 beads to make one of the little spikes on the top of the pineapple. Kind of push them towards the center and tighten and pull that cord tight. You'll do the same thing on the left side. So again, you'll put 3 green beads in your left side of the string, skip that first bead that you have, and go back through the second and third bead and pull it all the way until the string is tight. There you have it. You have your top of the pineapple. We'll add 3 green beads to the next row. Pull the strings tight. And after that, you're all done with your green beads, and we'll move on to our yellow beads. So we're starting with a row of 4 of the metallic yellow beads. And then the next row, we're going to do 3 of the metallic yellow, 1 clear yellow, and 2 metallic yellows. Did you know that pineapples actually take around 3 years to fully grow? Each plant only yields about 1 pineapple every year. So I don't think I'll be planting any pineapple trees. Next, we'll put in the row of 2 yellow, 1 clear yellow, 2 yellow, 1 clear yellow, and then 2 yellow. So a little bit of a pattern there. And we'll take our opposite string and feed it back through until we get to the very last bead, and then we'll pull those 2 strings through so that the row of beads meet up with the remaining part of our pineapple. The row after this will include 1 yellow bead, 1 clear bead, 6 yellow beads. And this is a pattern you guys can change up if you want. If you want to put more of the clear beads in there, or if you want to do it all yellow, you could do that. But you could be creative and make it your own. I'm just telling you how I made mine if you wanted to do something similar. So now we are going to feed the left string through our right string of beads. And then we'll pull those two cord ends until our row of beads meet up with the rest of the pineapple. Our fifth row of yellow beads will include 3 solid yellow, 1 clear yellow, 2 yellow, 1 clear yellow, and 1 yellow. So that's 8 beads in total. And after this, we only have 2 rows left to do. This is another very easy, very quick keychain. If you're interested in starting your pony bead journey, or you just want a quick little craft that can be done in under 10 minutes. Did you know that pineapples are great for your health in multiple ways? They help with digestion, reduce inflammation, and even support any wounds that you might have. Historically, they were used in traditional medicine for coughs and parasites. So I love the taste of pineapples. I love pineapple juice, so I will continue to eat pineapples. And what do you guys think? Do you like pineapples? I just completed this strand of 6 beads, and that included 1 yellow, 1 clear, and 4 yellows. And then our last strand is all solid yellows, and that's 5 yellow beads. And after this, guys, that's pretty much it. We'll need to tie up our ends so the beads don't fall off, obviously. So I take the string, pull it through the last 2 rows on the end, and I do a 2 half hitch knot. So I'll knot it one time and then loop it back again and knot it a second time to make sure it's secure. And then I will clip off our ends of the string and tuck them in to any surrounding beads if I have enough cord left over. And there you have it, your very own pineapple keychain. If you love this video and you want to see more, please make sure to subscribe, give it a like, and thanks for being here, guys. And thanks for watching.